read the problem. Just kidding, I will for you. One wall inside a shoe store is used to display walking shoes and running shoes. There are 135 pairs of shoes in this display. There are 1.5 times as many pairs of walking shoes as there are running shoes on display. How many pairs of walking shoes and running shoes are on display? You're going to write an equation. In order to do this, you need to find your variables. In this equation, R will be our first variable, which stands for running shoes. Our second will be 1.5 R. We know there are 135 pairs total, and there are 1.5 times more walking shoes than running shoes, or R. So set it up like this. 135 equals R plus 1.5 R. Then factor out the GCF, or R, to get 135 equals R, parentheses, 1 plus 1.5 in parentheses. Then solve for R, which means 135 equals R times 2.5. Divide 135 by 2.5, and you get R equals 54. One way to check your work is to plug in the numbers you got for R in your equation. To check to see if it's totally right, multiply R, or 54, by 1.5, and you get 81. Just by that, you can see that J is the only answer with this choice. There is a second way to solve this problem, however. You don't have to set up an equation, just understand that the total number of walking shoes should be 1.5 times more than running shoes. So simply multiply each number of running shoes in the problem by 1.5 to see which answer follows this rule. 45 times 1.5 equals 67.5, not 90. 81 times 1.5 equals 121.5, which isn't 54. 90 times 1.5 is 135, not 45, but 54 times 1.5 equals 81, so that is the only one that follows the rule in the problem. Circle that answer and move on already.